Hey guys, welcome back to Cheese Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a biscuit recipe. This is a no oven biscuit recipe. It is made with suji or rava. It's actually very easy to make and the most simplest of ingredients required. Now let's see how to make this simple biscuit. So in a bowl, I'm going to add white rava and then sugar, coconut, cashews, cardamom powder. So I'm going to mix everything together. Now I'm going to add milk, and I'm going to gradually add milk and keep mixing this. So I have mixed it thoroughly. Now I'm going to allow this to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes so it will absorb all the moisture, and it has to become even more thick. Then only I'll be able to make firm balls out of it and flat it like cookies. So I've kept this for 15 minutes and you can see how thick it has become. Now I'm going to make balls out of this, flatten it and deep fry this. So I've taken so I'm rolling into a ball shape and then just flattening. So it started to fry, and it should not be too thick in the middle. So I'll be giving 20 seconds on one side and I'll be turning it. So it's done. I'm going to take it out, nicely browned. Make sure you put it on a tissue paper so it can take off the extra oil. Says guys, Rava biscuit is done. I'm going to have a taste of it. You can see it's cooked inside and it's crunchy. Wow. That's so yummy. So yummy. I've just kept this so these can stand. It just keeps falling, so that's why I've kept this. So good. Hope you guys try it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.